Hello guys, it's Martin here from a sunny Blackpool Automart. Gorgeous day here in Blackpool today. We've got this lovely Kia Rio in the spotlight today. It's a 2016 on a 66 plate, as you can see, in white, and what a lovely car this is. It's got full history, 2 keys, full book pack, and it's just coming part exchange from our Seat dealer there, which is next door to us, Automart. While I'm out here, I'll show you around. Actually, there's our Honda Bikes dealership, huge Honda Bikes dealership, and just across the road is our flagship Honda dealership. And there's our workshops, valet bays, and our paint and body clinic. That's us as well. We are part of a large group. Actually, we've got 16 dealerships across the northwest of the UK. We've got 5 Honda dealerships, 6 Seat dealerships, a Volkswagen dealer and a Mitsubishi dealership up in Lancaster. Got branches in Kendal, Southport, Wigan, Morecambe, and here at Blackpool. So we're a part of a big concern. We are a family run business. The name of our company is Cox Motor Group, so you can Google us and check our reviews, check our website, coxmotorgroup.com. You can reserve any of our cars on the website as well, coxmotorgroup.com, with just £100. That takes the car off sale and it stops anyone else buying it, and it's all subject to you viewing the car and being happy with the vehicle. If you do come and look at the vehicle and it's not what you expect, we refund you the deposit instantly. So well, nothing to lose really. If the car's right, you say yes. If the car's not right, you say no, and we give you the deposit back. Anyway, that's our website, coxmotorgroup.com. But back to the car, the Kia Rio in white, 6265, lovely car, very good price. It's the 3-door variant, the hatchback. It's got parking sensors at the back. It's manual transmission. I'll just open the boot so you can have a look in the boot. Don't know if you can see that. It's quite bright here at the minute. It's a decent sized boot, is that actually, quite deep, very deep in fact. I'm not sure if you're seeing that. It's very sunny here, and I'm struggling to see it. But it's decent spec. The Kias, they do come with a nice specification. They also come with a 7-year guarantee as well, I believe these. So don't think what is it, a 66? So it's still under manufacturer's warranty, this vehicle, which is always good. And there's a police car going past, always. Sorry about the movie camera there, I just nearly dropped it then. Anyway, it's got tinted windows at the back as well, this, great. Let's have a look inside the car. Like I say, it's been part exchanged into our Honda dealer. This car came in as a part exchange, so we don't go out and buy our cars. We do self-generate all our vehicles, to be fair. A lot of garages do go out and buy cars from auctions, put a couple of grand on them and put them on the forecourt. All our cars are like I said, self-generated. They're coming from part exchange from either our Seat dealer there. Sometimes we get them from bikes, to be honest with you, not often, but the majority come from our Honda dealership across the road. Okay, I'll just show you in the back of the car before I get in the front. There's the seats in the back. They've got 4-seater. It's got Isofix, as you can see by the tag there. So they've got Isofix seats, which is good for the kiddie seats. Just jump inside now, I'll show you some bits. Oh, it is a bit warm in here. Anyway, right, let's start her up. Like I said, they've got very good spec of these Kias, and the mileage, a little ever important mileage, 39,290. So it's nice miles for, what is it, 4-year-old car? 10,000 a year, which is about average. You can just you get a USB port there, an auxiliary port if you want to plug your phone in and stuff. It's obviously got aircon. I'll just put that on actually. It's got air conditioning. It's got DAB radio, as you can see, which is a lot clearer than normal FM. It's got Bluetooth, and there you can answer your phone on your steering wheel there, and your volume's on the right hand side, and the trip meter and everything's on the right hand side as well. It's got automatic lights and automatic wipers as well, electric front windows and electric mirrors. I'll just put this, oh, that aircon's nice. It's very warm today in Blackpool. It's gone from being quite cold to super warm, which is, I'm not moaning, don't get me wrong, I'm not moaning. It's good. just going to get it glowing. Oh, that's better. Bit of cold down. Anyway, there you go. That's like I said to you outside, it's a manual, didn't I? It's a 5-speed manual. It's got a full history, and it's got a full book pack in there. Locking wheel nut keys in there as well. Just calm this down a little bit. 39,290 miles, nice miles, and they're very reliable, these Kias. We don't have any issues with them at all. We do sell quite a few of them. Like I say, the car's only been in stock I don't know, 3 days, something like that. Anyway, there you go. We do offer a delivery service on all our cars. I don't know why that's gone blurred. Sorry about this. The camera's got a dicky fit. Oh, it's back clear again. Sorry. We offer delivery services on all our vehicles, just the UK mainland. It is free of charge at the moment. We have been doing it whilst the pandemic's been on. When we were closed for 8 months, we got quite good at it actually. The deliveries, we sold lots and lots of cars. People were buying them, and we were delivering them down south, Scotland, Wales, all over the place, which was good. So we've become quite good at it actually. So we've employed some more drivers and a couple of more trucks, and we've carried it through. And we're not charging for delivery, so it is free. So you might want to take advantage of that. You can come to the dealership obviously and road test the car, which I understand people want to do, and you can make sure you're happy with the car. But if you have the car delivered to you and it's not what you've been described or you're not what expected, again, we wouldn't make you have the car. You get a full refund. So we are quite good at things like that. We're not going to make you keep the car. We do offer part exchange as well. We'll take your part exchange, and even it's got finance on it, we can settle that finance on your car and start you with a new agreement. So just let us know. If you need any more pictures or any more videos or anything specific to know about this car, please give us a call. We'll answer all your questions. Nothing's too small. 01253 600 900. My name's Martin. I'm the sales manager here. Give me a call if you want to know, like I say, anything, or you want a specific video sending to you. I can do what's called a See It Now video, and it'll send straight to your mobile phone. If you want me to look at anything specific on the car, I'm prepared to do that, no problem at all. We do like to be transparent with all our cars. There's nothing to hide. They're all genuine cars that come in part exchange. We're part of a big group. Like I say, we offer finance, we offer delivery. Everything can be done remotely if you don't want to venture out to the dealership, or your distance, you're fair away from us. Everything can, even in the pricing of your part exchange, that can be all done online. The finance docs can be done remotely as well, so you never need to visit us, to be honest with you. But you can if you wish. We are open for visits. We are open for road tests at the moment, which is good. Anyway, guys, I'm waffling on now. Let me know if you need any further assistance, any more pictures, etc. Give me a call, 01253 600 900. Option 4 is Automart. My name's Martin. It's been my pleasure to bring you this lovely, lovely little 66 plate Kia Rio. Take care, guys. Speak soon.